We're back with another fish video. I'm going to show you how to butterfly fillet sea bass today. We're going to need to scale first, but I'm going to skip that, but I'll leave a link to my sea bass fillet video so you can catch up on how to scale if you don't know. After that, you're going to want to grab a pair of scissors and cut away the bottom fin. Like so. After that, fillet as normal up until we go through the belly. Here's where things get different. Once you open up the belly side, you don't put your knife through, but you lift up all the meat. I'll show you another angle in a second, you might see what I mean. Oh yeah, looking like that. And then just carry on with the fillet. So once that's filleted but still attached, you're just going to want to repeat the process on the other side. Sorry about the delay in fish videos, the life's just got busy, but I'm planning to get back on it and make a few more. So once that's opened up, same again, you want to make sure you lift all the meat but don't pierce the belly. And there you go, once you fillet both sides but they're still attached, you're left with this. And you want to grab your scissors again and just make sure you trim away the bones and the rest of the fish. Show you another angle again, so you understand. Perfect. Now once that's done, you're probably thinking what I'm thinking, that that needs a wash. And after that, it looks 100 times better. Just make sure you get your board oil clean. Now grab your pliers and start pin boning, start removing the bones. That's more in depth in my sea bass fillet video as well, but easy job, takes 2 minutes. Once that's done, you just want to remove any unwanted pieces, like that yellow piece there, or any gristle on the side, anything that you don't fancy eating, really. And then once that's done, that's you. That's ready to serve, ready to cook anyway. But thanks for watching, enjoy.